everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a pool, you know it's a source of fun, but let's be honest, the surrounding area can often feel sterile. If you're tired of a plain deck and constant debris, then get ready. Today we're diving into how to create a breathtaking pool area garden that turns your backyard into a permanent vacation spot. We've got 10 incredible design ideas, the ultimate plant list, and all the decor secrets you need. Stick around because we're starting now. A pool area garden is more than just a few potted plants next to the water. It is a meticulously designed landscape that seamlessly integrates the swimming pool and its hardscaping, or like the deck or patio with carefully selected softscaping, meaning plants, flowers, and natural elements. It acts as a transitional space, blurring the line between your pool and the rest of your garden, effectively creating a cohesive outdoor room. The design considers the unique challenges of a pool environment, such as high heat, reflected sun glare, and exposure to chemicals like chlorine or salt. The goal is to provide shade, privacy, color, and texture, all while ensuring low maintenance and minimizing leaf or debris drop into the water. In essence, it's about transforming a functional swimming area into a beautiful, relaxing, and immersive outdoor oasis. The benefits of a thoughtfully designed pool area garden are numerous, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. Firstly, it provides a crucial boost to your property value and curb appeal, turning a basic backyard into a high-end, resort-like retreat. Secondly, a strategic garden design can create essential privacy and seclusion. Tall, dense shrubs and elegant privacy screens shield your swimming and lounging areas from neighbors and passersby, allowing for true relaxation. Thirdly, the introduction of plant life helps to soften the harsh lines of concrete, stone, and tile, creating a calming, organic environment that reduces the intense heat and glare often reflected off pool decking. The right plants can even offer a functional benefit by repelling insects like mosquitoes with their natural scents. Finally, it significantly enhances your overall leisure time and mental well-being, transforming your daily swim into a luxurious, sensory experience defined by beautiful sights, pleasant fragrances, and the tranquil sounds of nature. To truly elevate your pool area garden, decoration must be an extension of your design theme. Start with hardscaping elements like the decking. Natural stone pavers, warm-toned wood, or modern concrete can set the entire mood. Next, focus on defining spaces with outdoor furniture. Use comfortable, weather-resistant loungers and daybeds, complete with vibrant, UV-resistant cushions and throws to add pops of color. Incorporate functional and aesthetic structures like a pergola or a cabana to provide much-needed shade, instantly creating an outdoor living room. Lighting is perhaps the most transformative decor element. Use subtle uplighting on specimen trees, path lighting along walkways, and string lights across your lounge area to create a magical, safe ambience after sunset. Finally, use decorative containers and planters strategically. Follow the thriller, filler, and spiller concept, a tall, dramatic focal plant or thriller, a mid-sized plant to fill the space or filler, and a trailing plant to spill over the edge or spiller. This layered approach adds depth and sophistication. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the 10 top-tier pool garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The Tropical Oasis Retreat, layered palms and lush foliage. This design is the ultimate escape. It utilizes varying heights of tropical, evergreen plants like majestic palms, cordylines, and banana plants, layering them to create a dense, natural wall. The key here is to use large leaf foliage to maximize the jungle feel and ensure complete seclusion. Consider integrating moss-covered stepping stones into the ground cover to enhance the natural, island getaway ambience. 2. Modern minimalist, structured greenery and clean lines. For a sleek, contemporary look, focus on geometric shapes and restrained planting. Use architectural plants like agave or cylindrical dracaena in sharp, rectangular planters. The planting is sparse but impactful, maintaining an uncluttered aesthetic. The surrounding stone paving should be light-colored and uniform to emphasize the pool's crisp, clean lines. 3. Mediterranean charm, lavender, stone walls, and terracotta. Transport yourself to the south of France or Italy. This design is all about drought-tolerant plants, natural stone, and fragrant herbs. Low-water plants like lavender and rosemary are planted directly into the ground or in large terracotta pots, providing a beautiful aroma that deters insects. The palette is dominated by warm earth tones and the striking purple of the lavender. 4. The Zen Garden Pool, bamboo screens and Japanese maples. Serenity is the goal. Use non-invasive bamboo as a backdrop for a tranquil, visually soft screen. Accent the area with large, smooth river stones and simple, low-growing plants like mondo grass. The sparse, intentional placement of a single, sculptural Japanese maple creates a calming, meditative atmosphere. 5. Privacy hedge perfection, evergreen walls for seclusion. If privacy is your top concern, a continuous, manicured hedge is the answer. This creates a dense green wall that completely screens the pool from the outside world. Select a tall, robust, and fast-growing evergreen that holds its leaves year-round to ensure maximum seclusion and a lush, unbroken border. 6. Poolside fire feature, ambience and extended use. This idea is about extending the use of your pool area into the evening and cooler months. A built-in fire pit or fireplace creates a stunning focal point and a cozy gathering space. The surrounding garden should feature low maintenance, dark-leafed foliage that beautifully reflects the warm glow of the firelight. 7. Water feature integration, cascading planters and gentle falls. Integrate the sound of water to amplify relaxation. Whether it's a dramatic sheer descent waterfall or a series of simple bubbling fountains, framing the feature with planting is essential. Use plants that enjoy moisture, like ferns or creeping fig, around the base of the feature to soften the hard stone or tile work. 8. Container garden display, flexible color and mobility. Ideal for small spaces or climates where tropical plants can't overwinter. Use large, eye-catching pots to create a mobile garden. This allows you to easily change your color palette seasonally and bring sensitive plants indoors. Grouping pots of different heights and sizes adds a professional, layered look. 9. The Desert Garden Pool, cacti and stone hardscaping. A unique design that thrives in arid climates. This garden minimizes water usage and embraces a natural rocky aesthetic. Large, structural cacti, aloes, and ornamental grasses are offset by gravel and large boulders, connecting the pool to the surrounding natural landscape. 10. Illuminated nightscape, lighting focused on feature trees. Don't forget the power of light. Use low-voltage spotlights directed up at your best feature plants, like a sculptural palm or a colorful ornamental grass, to create dramatic shadows and depth. This turns your garden into a stunning, usable space long after the sun goes down, offering a truly magical glow. So there you have it, 10 transformative ideas to take your pool area garden from a basic backyard feature to a luxurious, high-design retreat. From selecting the perfect, non-messy plants that can handle the heat and chlorine, to strategically integrating hardscaping elements like fire pits and pergolas, every single detail contributes to the overall feeling of a resort-like oasis. Remember, your pool area should be an extension of your home's living space, providing a true sanctuary where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of nature without the stress of constant maintenance. Which one of these pool garden ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this script helpful in planning your own outdoor paradise, please do us a huge favor. Like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on patio furniture must-haves. If you want a more in-depth guide on the specific plants we mentioned, click the link in the description. Happy gardening and happy swimming!